Good morning, student. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 1. So, open page number 67. We have done this story from unit number 6. Okay, now come to the new words. First word is berry. Berry. Berry, it's a fruit name. Okay. Caterpillars. Caterpillars. Cat or pillars. Caterpillars, it's an insect. Nest. 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 Rain. Rain. Tree. Tree. Now come to the questions. First is, where does the little bird see the fruit? So where the little bird see the fruit, children? The little bird saw the fruit on the tree. जो छोटा पक्षी होता है वो पेड़ पर फल देखता है. What does she do? और वह क्या करती है? So answer will be, she ate that fruit. She ate the berries. Question number 3. What happens when she eats the berry? So when she eats the berry, after she ate the berry, she flew away and the berry seed fell. जब वो berry खा लेती है तो वो उड़ जाती है और जो berry का seed होता है वो नीचे गिर जाता है. Let's talk. Where do birds live? So birds live in the nest. Have you seen any birds near your house, children? Yes, we have seen. Do you know their names in English? चिल्ड्रन, कोई भी ऐसा बर्ड है जिसका नाम आप इंग्लिश में जानते हो और अपनी लैंग्वेज में भी जानते हो. अपनी लैंग्वेज में हम उस बर्ड को कुछ और बोलते हो और इंग्लिश में कुछ और. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. लेट्स से circle the things you can find on a tree. Now there are some pictures, children. So we have to circle with this picture which we can find on a tree. Okay. So first is beehive. So you have seen beehive on a tree. Yes, that's called madhumakhi ka chhatta. Okay. Have you find tree? No. Kite? No. Crows? Yes, we have seen crows on a tree. Pencil? No. Leaves? Yes. Ant? Yes. Book? No. So we can find beehive, crows, leaves and ant on a tree. Juicy fruits. Name the fruits you can see on the push cart. Say which ones you like the most. So we have seen many fruits. It's mango, apple, grapes, orange, pineapples and bananas. Okay, so children, read along with me. Apples. APPLES. एप्पल्स. एस लगने के बाद क्या हो गया? बहुत सारे एप्पल. और वो एप्पल सिर्फ एक एप्पल के लिए एस नहीं लगाएंगे, सिर्फ एप्पल. ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एप्पल हैं इसलिए एस. एप्पल्स. पाइनएप्पल्स. PINEAPPLES. पाइनएप्पल्स. मैंगोज. MANGOES. मैंगोज. Bananas. BANANAS. Grapes. 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 Oranges. ORANGES. Okay, so you have to learn the fruits name also. Let's do. How does the seed grow? Look at the picture below and number them in the correct order. Okay, so there are some pictures we have to correct in a order. I dig the earth. I plant the seed, I water the plant grows. So children, you can see it's already correct. So I dig the earth, then I plant the seed, I water the plant grows. Now next, put a tick if it is true, put a cross if it is not true. So children, if you find it is true, you can tick true, and if you find it is not true, then cross. Okay. I like fruit. Yes, I am feeling this according to me. You can feel this according to yourself. Okay. I like flowers. Yes, there is a tree near my house. If you have any tree near your house, then you can tick true, and if you don't have any tree near your house, you can tick wrong. Okay. Yes, there is a tree near my house. Yes, the tree has flowers. जो मेरे घर के पास जो पेड़ है वो फ्लावर्स, उसमें फ्लावर्स नहीं आते हैं. ठीक है. The tree has fruit. No, the tree also had not fruit. So you can fill this according to yourself. Okay. If you have any mango tree near your house, so you can tick true. And the mango tree, yes, the mango tree has flowers, so you can tick right. Okay. And the tree has fruit. Yes, mango. Okay. Now let's read and write WXYZ. So it is written in small letter, so you have to trace these letters. Okay. So that's all for today, children. You have to learn the chapters, fruits name. Okay. So that's it. Thank you, children. Have a good day.